video, we shall write a Python program to find the sum of two numbers. We can write this program in just 4 lines. The first 2 lines is for initialization and declaration of two variables, that is the numbers for which we have to find the sum. And the third line is to declare the sum value. And the finally fourth line is to print the value of the sum. Let us start writing the program. I am taking the two numbers to be a and b. Let a is equals to int input, enter the number. And another variable b is equals to int input, enter the second number. Okay. Now let us declare the value of the sum. C is equals to a plus b. Now finally we shall print the sum. Print the sum of the given numbers is comma C. Okay. Now let us run our program. Run sum. Enter the number. I am taking the first number to be 12. You can take any random number. And the second number to be 13. Okay. The sum of the given numbers is 25. We have got our output. So this is the program to find the sum of two numbers in Python. And if you want to find the sum of float numbers, just change the keyword to be float here. Okay, instead of int, change it to be float. Okay. Now let us again run the program. Run. Enter the number 12.5 and the second number to be 11.5. Enter. The sum of the given numbers is 24.0. Okay. So that's it. Thank you.